Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to blur the background of image in Canva. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open Canva and just click on the image. Okay, now go on edit. Here click on magic grab. Now go over here on and click on click. Okay, I'm going to click this image and click on grab. Wait a few moments. Okay. Now again click on the image, click on edit, scroll down and here under effects click on blur. Now select whole image and increase the intensity like this. Keep it at 60. Now as you can see, the image background is blurred. So that's it for the video. That's how you can blur image background. Thanks for watching.